You can grow taller at any age, and it's not as hard as you think. A lot of people think that once puberty ends, growth stops because your growth plate's close. That's not true. Let's look at the Maasai tribe, one of the tallest people in the world, with the average height of 6'4". One key reason is their daily vertical jumping technique. This is explained by Wolff's Law, which says bones get stronger under the pressure which are placed, but this alone will make them thicker, not longer. We will show you step-by-step formula force your bones to grow upwards later in the video. Even after puberty, your body can still release growth hormone and testosterone, the same hormones responsible for height growth during adolescence. The key is knowing how to stimulate and maximize their production, even as an adult. Do these tips daily to drastically make your growth hormone levels higher. Get 9 to 10 hours of deep sleep. Be honest, you don't sleep that much daily. Spend 1 to 3 hours in the sun. Exercise intensely 4 times a week. Eat a lot of protein with every meal. Now, tips that a lot of people don't do. Avoid sugar and carbs before bed, or it will destroy your growth hormone production in the first sleep cycle when the most growth hormone is released. Take boron. Most people don't know about it, but it helps your body absorb calcium and magnesium better, leading to stronger bones. You'll find it in almonds, walnuts, and leafy greens. Maximize magnesium and zinc intake to multiply your bone health. 70% of population lack these two minerals. Seeds, dark chocolate, and leafy vegetables are packed with both. Also get collagen found in fish and eggs. Collagen supports the flexibility and strength of bones, helping them grow longer instead of just thicker. Now that you've set the foundation, let's get into the plan. First, microfracture your bones. To stimulate bone growth, you need to microfracture your bones. This happens through targeted exercises. Start in the gym with heavy squats and deadlifts, which put intense pressure on your legs and spine. You should be lifting heavy enough that you can barely complete 8 to 12 reps. The pressure from these lifts creates tiny microfractures in your bones. As your body repairs these microfractures, your bones get stronger and longer, but squats and deadlifts alone aren't enough. After lifting, switch to jump squats for 5 minutes, just like the Maasai do. Each jump puts additional stress on your leg bones, creating more microfractures. The higher you jump, the more stress you place on the bones, and the more your body is forced to release growth hormone to repair and grow them. You can take it a step further by cycling with a raised seat. This forces your legs to fully extend with each pedal stroke, creating the same effect as when giraffes stretch to reach food. It encourages your legs to adapt and lengthen over time. Second, make these microfractured bones longer, not thicker. Once the microfractures are in place, the next step is lengthening the bones. After your workout, grab a pull-up bar and hang for 2 minutes. This allows your spine and legs to decompress under your body weight, stretching the microfractured bones. After hanging, perform upward stretches for another 2 minutes, reaching as high as you can. This process helps create the tension needed to elongate your bones during the healing phase. For an extra challenge, consider using ankle weights to apply additional tension and accelerate bone lengthening. Third, repair your bones. Your body needs protein and other nutrients to rebuild the microfractures into longer bones. The Dinka tribe, known for their tall height, consume a diet rich in grass-fed beef, organ meats, and bone broth, all of which are packed with collagen, zinc, and iron. Key elements for bone repair and growth. Include foods like salmon, eggs, and nuts in your diet to ensure you're getting the healthy fats and magnesium necessary to support calcium absorption and overall bone health. And remember, your body releases the most growth hormone during sleep. As well, your body works to fix those microfractures and lengthen your bones.